We are now at part 3, the waterfalls. And we're gonna go and maybe swim in there. I don't even know what these are because this is just, you know, there's some confusion with diamonds, but maybe we can find a way, you know, go on this way. Yeah, it looks like we're on the right track. So it turns out that we were actually on the wrong trail after all. So we gotta go all the way back to the parking lot. Or maybe up this road. Okay, we're now on the right track and we're gonna go to the viewpoint. And it's a big one. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but it's a huge waterfall.
You need to go down with a kayak.
We didn't get up close to it though. There's even a second creek that just goes right over the edge. Look, just goes right over it. Is this waterfall everything you'd hoped it'd be, Mom?
It looks pretty.
It is. And it looks like it splits and falls.